Surprise! Hey, Lulu.
Hey guys, check out my new skateboard. Ah!
I'll help you up, Lulu.
Something knocked me over.
It was a surprise egg. Let's open it to see what's inside. It's full of pink Play-Doh. And it's full of surprises. Look at this bunch of bananas. A-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo.
Thanks for helping me. Oh no! Ah!
I'll help you again.
Thanks.
You found another surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, look! It's full of yellow Play-Doh this time. It's a hot dog. This hot dog comes with a bun and lettuce.
Ah!
Looks like you found another surprise egg, Lulu. That egg was full of puzzle pieces.
Not again! Ah!
You sure are running into a ton of surprise eggs. Let's see what's inside. It doesn't make a sound. It's full of lavender Play-Doh. Look at the surprise that was inside. It's a delicious piece of cake. Look at all the pieces it has. Let's put it back together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Awesome! This one came from the sky this time.
Fun. Let's see if there are any surprises inside. This one does make sound. Wow, it's full of more puzzle pieces. Look at all these pieces. I gotcha, Lulu. Let's see what's inside this surprise egg. It doesn't make a sound. Oh, turquoise Play-Doh. This surprise was inside. It's a crepe. It's full of strawberries and bananas. This had 4 pieces. Let's put them back together. Yummy! We found so many surprises today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's build a table to put our food on. Here's the first row. Now the second row. The third row is complete. throw is done. Now this table needs legs. The first leg is complete. And here's the second leg. The third leg is done. We have one more leg to go. And our table is ready to go. We have all these extra pieces. I think we should make a chair. There we go, a table and a chair. Hey Lulu.
Oh, yum! I'm starving.
Here's some bananas. Here's a hot dog. Try this crate. And finally this giant piece of cake.
Thank you. Yum! Goodbye.
Click this video next. Click the chubby radish to subscribe. Romy and Lulu.